Hello everyone. So we will talk about this week. We will talk about let's see. Uh Adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. So I made a video, really good video about these. Although volume has like some troubles, if you're having trouble, you can call and then talk to me, and then I can help you with the content. But the video is really good because it also gives you lots of opportunities to work on by yourselves. I will first go for, so to add these, I need to talk about equivalent fractions and same denominators. You know that if they have an unlike denominator, which is the bottom number of the fraction, we won't be able to add them or subtract them. What we supposed to do is matching the denominators and making them same by multiplying or dividing with like certain numbers so that we have the same denominators. And for that, I want to explain first to you equivalent fractions because they are very important. So this video is talking about equivalent fractions, and then we will do adding. But there is a video that I will share with you, and that is actually this is my YouTube channel, Mx.Begovic. And it is I believe you can find this easily, but you can ask me and then I can send you the link if you need it. And here is the um week video 2, and in this one I'm actually showing the subtractions, and so this is also a useful video too, but I will talk about the first video this today because that is adding fractions. And so we will talk about equivalent fractions, and then I will explain to you what is equivalent fraction according to this. Equivalent fractions are so helpful. Equivalent means not same, but like in the same level. Okay, let's say like that. You are not, for instance, you are playing Fortnite. You are not the same person, so you are not equal to your brother or your friend who plays Fortnite too. However, if you are in the, I don't know the levels in Fortnite, I believe, let's say in the fourth level, don't laugh at me if I am wrong, fourth level or stage 4, and for instance, like another random person is also stage 4, and so you are good. And I think Call of Duty used to do that. I don't know, when I was young I used to play, and then so many years ago, Call of Duty is even older, like almost same age with me, so very old game. Anyways, they used to like allocate the same level players in the same game, so it won't be unfair for the ones, like for instance, if you are in level 12 and then you are playing with the level 2, of course you will beat them because it's obvious. So that is what it is. Equivalent is this: you try to make the numbers fair to each other. You can compare them, so you won't be miss or discriminate any number against the other ones. So equivalent fractions are important for that, because then, oh, I can here is my husband's guitar in the background. So like you can make these numbers more accessible, similar, same level, to make it equivalent fractions. That's why it's important, because you will use it while multiplying fractions, while dividing fractions, while using ratios, while using equations, one or two unknown equations, multi-step or one-step equations. They will be all needing equivalent fractions all the time, and that is why it is so important. Of course, I will give you a small part of it, and then you will practice about it, and then you will get used to it. So I don't want to make it too long because the video is already 11 minutes itself. So when the equivalent fractions, you have the equivalent fractions, you do that, and then if you want to practice about it, go to Alex, practice equivalent fractions topic, and then go to Khan Academy, practice equivalent fractions topic. Go to Prodigy, choose equivalent fractions as your topic and practice that. All of those are extra sources that you can do. However, you can ask your teacher, which is me, your teacher, and maybe they can hook you up with some kind of textbooks if you want one. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this. Let's start this video, and then I will see you in
3.
later.
I would then eat 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is that kind of thing, and I'm writing it now a little bit. 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over 4, and then another one is 6 over 6. So see, look at this. 1 times 6 is 6, so 2 times 6 is 12. And then I can do 7. 1 times 7. 1 times 7, 7 is 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, so the equivalent fractions are same fraction, but you are dividing more or less. For instance, if I say 25 over 30, I see that in here 5 times 5 and 5 times 6. Then I simplify these and I will get 5 over 6. So then I can say 25 over 30 is an equivalent fraction with 5 over 6. Okay, and so now with this kind of information, I want to immediately solve the first problem. What is the first problem? It says 2 over 7 plus 3 over 5. They are unlike, and what am I going to do? Do I write equivalent fractions? So in this one, there is no equivalent fractions. Then I'm going to just use my other skills and multiply this one by 5, and with this one, 7. So 2 times 5 is 10 over 35, plus 3 times 7 is 21 over 5 times 7, 35. See, now I do have common denominators, and I can add 31 over 35. Can I simplify? No, 31 is a prime number. However, let's look at the second one. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 12. Well, this 4 I can actually do 12, which is 4 times 12, 3 is 12, so I know that. So that means I will just, if I am multiplying this by 3, then that means I have to multiply this by 3 too. So 3 times 3 is 9 over 4 times 3 is 12, plus I already have 1 over 12, which is the same. Then I will add 10 over 12. Well, is this the answer? No, I have to go to find another equivalent fraction that is the simplified version of this. This one is 5 times 2, this one is 2 times 6, and if I simplify these, I will have 5 over 6. Okay. Then I will solve 5 now. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 14. And then now I know this 2 can be 14, and I will write times 7. So 1 times 7, 7. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 over 14. And then this will be 7 plus 3 is 10 over 14. Well, is this the answer? No, because there's still 2 in here. So I divide by 2 and divide by 2, which will be 5 over 7 is the answer. Then I will solve the last problem. Last problem is this 10th question. No, I can just write it in here, I think. So I'm looking at 11 and 33. If I multiply this one by 3, I can multiply this one by 3 too. And then I get 33, the common denominator. So 6 times 3 is 18 over 33. And plus 7 over 33. And then this will be 525 over 33 is the answer. Actually, I will solve one last one. Actually, two last ones. Here, this one. First, this one. Actually, yeah. So 5 over 10 plus 3 over 20, they say. If I multiply by this one by 2, I will get 20. So that means this new fraction, equivalent fraction, will be 10 over 20 plus 3 over 20. That will be 13 over 20. 13 over 20. Can I simplify? No, this is the answer. Now this one, I'm using a different one. So 5 and 25, they are very related. So I have to multiply this one by 5, and then so this one by 5. So it will be 20 over 25 plus 1 over 25. And then this will be 21 over 25. Can I simplify? Nope, this is the answer. And then the last one will be... Okay, I actually created my own problem because I couldn't find a similar one like this. So now in this one, I need to create equivalent fractions. But then I'm looking at 1610. It's kind of big. Like, do they meet in 160? No, I don't think so. They have 2 in them, so that must be some similar things. But I'm feeling like 10 and 16 are actually kind of big numbers. And if I want to write this 10, I can write 2 times 5. And then this one 2 times 8. So that means it will be, the first one will be 2 times 5 over 2 times 8, and then 2's are gone, 5 over 8. So the first one, I changed it already, 5 over 8. Then the second one, let's look at it, is the same thing. I write 2 times 3 for 6 and 2 times 5 for 10. Then these 2's are gone. My answer is 5 actually. So then the second number is 5. Then I am looking at the fourth one. Well, right now, my fourth one can't stay like that. Then now I have 8, 5, and 4. Well, I know this one can be 8 easily if I multiply, but I don't have these ones. So that means this one I need to multiply by 5, and then this one multiply by 8, but then this one multiply by 5 times 2, which is 10. Then I will write now the new numbers. It will be 5 times 5 is 25 over 40, plus 8 times 3 is 24 over 40, and then 10 over 40. Then this will be 49 plus 59 over 40. Well, this is an improper fraction, and it will be 119 over 40. Can I simplify it? No. The numbers are not that nice, but still, I hope you get the idea, and then I will see you in the other video.
We feel a little bit better about addition with unlike denominators. I put lots of questions in this video. Please try to solve those. And if you solve those and send it as a picture to me, the solutions, I will grant you one of the Schoology assignments grade, full points, okay? Because you do work, and that is what I value in this course. I value your work. So if you show me your work with a picture, photo, whatever, you solve them on a piece of paper and show me, I will grant you all of the points you need for one of the focus skills, okay? So then I want to launch this again. Where is my week 4? Here is week 4, and as you can see, I will post the video lesson here, and my announcement will be here. So hopefully you will all have a great week, and you will catch up with all the work that you're supposed to do. Alex will be floating with topics, hopefully. I'll see you. Bye-bye.